How to turn off cloud backup in CapCut. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to disable automatic cloud backup and keep your projects stored locally. First, open the CapCut app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap on your Profile or Me tab in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, look for Cloud Backup, Auto Backup, or Auto Upload. Tap on it. The name may vary depending on your CapCut version. As you can see, on this device, Auto Upload is already turned off by default, so no further action is needed. If it's enabled on your device, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. After disabling this option, CapCut will no longer automatically upload your new projects to cloud storage. Your existing cloud projects will remain in your account unless you delete them manually. If you don't see the cloud backup option, your version of CapCut may not support it, or the feature may not be available in your region or account. In that case, make sure you're using the latest version of the app and check the settings menu again. And that's all. You've successfully turned off cloud backup in CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more quick and easy CapCut tutorials.